The separated or divided push bar and the U-shaped push bar come in kind of one piece, but it's two parts. There's a lower part and an upper part. If I loosen up the lever, they come apart. When you're going to install the push bars, always take the lower part off. This is the part that gets installed on the back of your chair. The base for the push bar slides on to the base of the chair. These are two 5mm screws that you'd use to tighten it up. On the inside of this piece is a clip, and I will pull it out so you can see it a little bit better. Gets a little, I'll pop it out from this side. This is what the piece looks like. It has these two little tabs, and when you insert it, it fits in here. So you can see I push it in there and the tabs come out. And when you tighten the screws on the base, this piece pushes against the base of the chair, and that's what locks it in. When you're installing it, you just have to play carefully with these two screws as you tighten it, because sometimes these two tabs will pop out and then the chair doesn't lock together. So I've loosened up these two screws a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and insert the clip in, and I'm going to try to slide this on the base. And you can see as I do that these tabs want to come out a little bit. They're still in there, and now I'm going to take the 5mm X key, and I'm going to slowly tighten it a little bit. And you just have to be careful because, again, you can see these want to slide in. And when that happens, you can't tighten it up. And let's take a look down here. The tabs are still in there a little bit. So now that I have it on here, and it's not tight, it's just kind of a little snug, I'll loosen it up a little bit more. I can rotate this left and right. So this one is installed, and the first time you're doing this, it may take a couple of times to get this on correctly. Sometimes it may be easier to have a second person help you, and they're kind of holding the tab here to make sure it doesn't go in and fall out. But once it's tight a little bit and you can move it, it's not falling out. This is installed. Now that I have the base installed, I can drop in the top part. Right, I'll tighten that up a little bit. I still have this piece a little loose, so I can move it left and right. The other adjustment on the chair is to adjust the angle forward and back. If I loosen these two screws, I can adjust this forward and back and change the angle. Once I have it set, tighten them up. So you get the right one on, you get the left one on, then you're going to reinsert the backrest. You're going to have the chair on the floor, and then it's just adjusting this angle, the left versus right, and also the height to get the push bar adjusted the way you want. And this is the divided push bar. If I go to the U-shaped push bar, it's essentially the same thing. I'm going to have one on both sides and the other. The only difference is the width for this one is fixed. So you have to move these together and have them at the same angle until you can get the top part to slide in. As usual with all of our modifications and accessories, if you have any questions when you go to install it, give us a call. We can do a video call with you, try to troubleshoot and figure out how to help you.